Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you love makeup as much as I do, then you're in the right place. My name is Kara and I test new products so you don't have to. I was kind of back and forth on making today's video. I didn't know if I wanted to do a whole YouTube video for this product, but I was like, hey, what the heck, let's go for it. So for today's video, we're gonna be actually trying the new Rare Beauty Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter. I got 2 out of the 4 shades. I've heard pretty good things about them. They are available right now on Sephora, Rare Beauty, and Kohl's websites. And as of Sephora, I know 3 out of the 4 shades are sold out. As for Rare Beauty, I'm pretty sure they're all available. As for Kohl's, I'm not sure. But I will have the links to all 3 locations that you can purchase them down in the description box below if you want to check them out. What we're going to do today is try both products and see how they are, because I've seen some videos on these and oh my god. So before we get started on today's video, I do want to kindly thank Luisa for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you don't know who Luisa is, they are a jewelry brand that makes sustainable pieces of jewelry, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings for men, women, children, and their products are made from recycled gold, silver. They have lab-grown diamonds. I mean, their pieces are phenomenal and beautiful. They're a very unique brand. Their jewelry's made to last. First off, they come in, when you get something from Luisa, they come in these little pouches like this, which are super cute. They're like magnetic pouches that are like kind of like a canvas material, which you can use these to keep your jewelry in. You can use them for something else. So that is very nice that they offer this, which these are recyclable as well. Basically, everything that comes from this brand down to the shipping box is sustainable and recyclable. So I'm going to show you the canvas bag up close. As you can see, it says Luisa at the bottom. And then upon opening it, you could see that it is still all one color, and then it has a big pocket inside. There's actually 2 pockets inside. And depending on the product that you purchase from them will depend on the size of the canvas bag. As you can see, they have this like kind of larger one, and then these 2 smaller ones. I think these are just so dear. So Luisa sent me a few products that I want to show you guys. So the first piece I want to show you is this emery ring. It's a dainty ring that's crafted in sterling silver. It's also dipped in a layer of 14 karat gold and then set with an oval cut opal gemstone. It's very beautiful. I love the double look of the band. It has kind of like that groove in the middle. The next piece is a Rowena bracelet, which is limited edition. They took a contemporary twist on antique Chinese coins with its iconic squared cutout, and this gorgeous gold flower bracelet was designed. And what's nice about the bracelet is it's so elegant, it can really go with pretty much any other jewelry you put it with. This is the bell earring. It is a 14 gold dipped sterling silver chain that has cubic zirconia gems at the base, and it creates this illusion of like cascading jewels. It's a sophisticated, dainty earring that's gonna complement any outfit that you wear, whether you're dressing up in like a cocktail dress or just going to work. There's obviously a common theme when it comes to Luisa. Her jewelry is very dainty, but she's got jewelry for women, men, children, and they are durable. I mean, I have had and have worn her jewelry for extended periods of time. It doesn't tarnish. I don't get any green or marks on my skin from it. It's gorgeous jewelry, and Luisa is the only jewelry I will ever wear. Right now, Luisa is running a holiday sale, so if you want to check them out, now is the time to do it. Down in the description box below, there will be a link to Luisa's website. Make sure you go check them out, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much, Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. So let's move on to the highlighters. One thing about Rare Beauty's boxes is I have a horrible time getting them open. I already ripped one box. The other box has like a puncture hole in it. I don't know why I have such a hard time getting into her boxes. This is what the box is gonna look like. It's your typical Rare Beauty box. And then here's the actual packaging of the highlighter. It is like a baby pink color. The back shows the name of the product, the amount of the product that you're getting. Now, upon opening the little compact, it does give you a mirror, which is great. This shade, now I got two shades. This shade is called Mesmerized, which is considered a rose bronze. And then here is what that looks like, and my ring light is just beaming off of this product. Now the other shade I got is Enlightened, and now the packaging is exactly the same. The only difference is on the back. It just tells you the name of the product. So if you were looking at them like this, you wouldn't know which one is which. Now this shade I got is Enlightened, and it's considered a cool champagne. So these go for $25. You're getting 2.8 grams of product, which is 0.098 ounces. Not a lot of product. The compact does feel a little heavy, but this plastic, I'm not for this plastic. I don't like that. I mean, I don't know. I don't like the plastic. So a little bit about these is they are a powder highlighter that's supposed to give your skin a glass sheen glow. And it's supposed to give you like a natural type glow, which is kind of weird because a glass sheen glow is different from a natural glow to me. So I don't know. We'll have to see when we test it out. I do want to read you what they say on the website, which is Sephora. It says, get the glass-like glow of a liquid highlighter in an easy compact, unexpectedly smooth, airy, and talc-free. This unique semi-sheer base is packed with micro shimmers that sync with your skin to enhance a range of skin tones. It's also transfer-proof, smudge-proof, and water-resistant to keep you gleaming all day. Being that it's made in Italy, I do like that. Usually very good products are made in Italy. It also, like I had mentioned earlier, it's got a 12-month shelf life, and it's $25 for that. So, all right, so let's get into it. Let me swatch these first for you. We're gonna first do this one, which is Enlightened. Touching it, it doesn't feel creamy. It doesn't feel dry. It definitely feels powdery. Like when you look at it, if you're looking at it, it looks like it would be kind of feeling that wet feeling, and it doesn't feel like that at all. And then we're gonna do the same with Mesmerized. They are really soft though. I mean, it's like a soft powder, if that makes sense. So here they are on the finger. You have Enlightened and Mesmerized. And then here is Enlightened swatched, and then Mesmerized. Now they did swatch really nicely. It looks like they have kind of like a base to them. I mean, both of them look like they would be really dark. But again, you're going in with your finger so that on your eyelid, they would probably look, both of them would probably look amazing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one on one side, one on the other side. All right, so we're first gonna go into the shade Enlightened. I'm gonna use a Real Techniques setting brush that looks like this. And we're just gonna go in like that and tap it off, a little powdery. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Woo, look at that. Oh, wow. That is crazy. Yeah, this would be best on the eyes or for darker skin. For light skin like me, I mean, that is just whoo, in your face. Oh my God. Wow. That is crazy. I'm actually so surprised at how that just, yeah, oh my God. So now we're gonna try Mesmerize. I'm gonna take the same brush. I did clean it off a little bit, and we're gonna go in the same way. And now this is pink on my brush. I don't know how these are like fit for lighter skinned people. So here we go. Oh, this is really nice. I like this one. This doesn't have much of a base to it. like the other one did. Maybe I went in a little too much, but that one looks really nice. So here's Enlightened, and then here is Mesmerized. This has like a pinky tone to it. So now this one calls for like a cool champagne, which is giving me more of like a silvery look. This is rosy bronze, which I can absolutely see that. Let me zoom you in and show you a little bit of a close-up. So here we are close-up. This is Enlightened, and then this is Mesmerized. So both are pretty nice. I think that this side, I think it would look better on the eyes. Let's try and do that. I will say that they are emphasizing a little bit of texture, which is really normal for highlighters. When a highlighter doesn't emphasize texture, I mean, that's like a big deal. But so let's get Enlightened and put some on the eyes and see what happens. So I'm gonna go in with my finger again. And then we're just going to kind of put it right in the middle. Oh, wow, yes. Oh, yes. I like it so much better on the eyes. Yeah, look at that. I think it looks a lot prettier on the eyes than it does on my skin. I think Enlightened would be perfect for anybody. You can use it on the eyes. I think it's going to be perfect for darker skin, for on their skin. I mean, it looks okay. If I went in probably a little bit lighter, I think it would be better. But I like it so much more on the eyes. Mesmerized is a really pretty one. That one would probably look pretty on the eyes too. It's not as like, there's not much of a base like how it seems like the other one is, but both are okay. The only thing I don't like about it, again, is the packaging. I don't like these compacts. They're too cheap to me. I feel like it's like a little girl's compact. Love these highlighters. They're amazing. Just don't like the packaging. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to make sure you get notified anytime I upload a video. I want to thank again Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you go check them out. I will link down in the description box below. I will link these products as well as everything else I'm wearing on my face. I will, like I said, have Luisa's website linked down below. Make sure you check out their sale because it's not going to last forever. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all again soon.